Stop scrolling. I know what you're going through right now. You're lying in bed. Maybe it's 3 a.m. You're staring at the ceiling. Your phone is in your hand, but you're not really using it. You're just existing. Someone you loved is gone. Someone you trusted broke you. Someone who promised forever left. And now you feel empty, broken, like a part of you died with them. But what if I told you this pain is actually the greatest gift you've ever received? What if the person who broke your heart actually set you free? And welcome back to the Stoic Legacy. Today, we're not going to give you fake motivation. We're not going to tell you, just be happy or time heals everything. No. Today, we're going deep into ancient Stoic wisdom, the same wisdom that Roman emperors used to survive war, betrayal, and death. The same wisdom that slaves used to find freedom. The same wisdom that will make you unbreakable. By the end of this video, you won't just feel better, you'll be transformed. Let's begin with rule number 1. Rule number 1, the dichotomy of control. The first rule comes from the great Stoic philosopher Epictetus, and he started with a simple but powerful idea. Some things are in our control, others are not. This is called the dichotomy of control, and it is the foundation of all Stoic thinking. Think about your situation right now. Did you control their decision to leave? No. Did you control their feelings changing? No. Did you control their maturity, their loyalty, their honesty? No. But here's what you do control. You control your reaction. You control your thoughts. You control whether you heal or whether you stay broken. You control your future. You control who you become. Next, let me give you a real example. Imagine two people get the exact same breakup message. It's over, I don't love you anymore. Person A thinks, my life is ruined, I'll never find anyone again, I'm worthless. Person B thinks, this hurts, but I can't control them. I can only control me. So I will heal, I will grow, I will become someone so valuable that their loss becomes my gain. Same event, completely different results. The only difference? Their focus. Person A focused on what they can't control. Person B focused on what they can control. And right now you have a choice. You can keep crying over someone who chose to leave, or you can take back your power and build a life they'll regret missing. Which one will you choose? Drop a fire in the comments if you're choosing to take back your power today. Rule number 2 comes from the Roman emperor himself, Marcus Aurelius. He wrote in his private journal, Meditations. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. In simple words, the obstacle is the path. Let me tell you a story. There was once a man named Thomas Edison. You know him. He invented the light bulb. But do you know how many times he failed before he succeeded? 10,000 times. A reporter once asked him, how did it feel to fail 10,000 times? Edison smiled and said, I didn't fail 10,000 times. I successfully found 10,000 ways that didn't work. And now I'm closer to the one that does. Now apply this to your breakup. Right now, you see this person leaving as the obstacle. You see the pain as the problem. But what if this pain is actually showing you the way? What if this breakup is teaching you, 1, what you actually deserve in a partner, 2, the red flags you ignored, 3, how to be alone without being lonely, 4, your true strength, 5, that your happiness was never meant to depend on one person. The Stoics believe that every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. So let me ask you, Are you going to let this obstacle break you? Or are you going to let it make you? Think about it. And when you're ready to turn your pain into power, comment the word obstacle. Rule number 3, your mind creates your reality. Rule number 3 is the most misunderstood concept in all of philosophy. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let me say that again because it's important. It's not what happens to you. It's how you react to it. Imagine 2 glasses of water. One glass is clean, pure, fresh. The other glass is dirty, muddy, polluted. Now rain falls. The same rain, the same water. The clean glass becomes fuller. The dirty glass becomes muddier. Same rain, different results. You are the glass. The breakup is the rain, and your mind determines whether you come out cleaner or muddier. Here's a practical exercise the Stoics used. Every time you have a negative thought, pause and ask yourself 3 questions. 1, is this thought true? 2, is this thought helping me? 3, would I say this to my best friend? If the answer to any of these is no, you must replace that thought. Instead of, I'll never find love again. Think, I found love once, I can find it again, better. Instead of, I'm not good enough. Think, I was good enough for them once. Now I'll become good enough for someone better. Instead of, my life is over. Think, a new chapter is beginning. Right now, I want you to write in the comments 1 negative thought you're letting go of today. Just type it out. Saying it publicly makes it real. Rule number 4, Memento Mori, remember death. Rule number 4 is the most intense Stoic practice. It's called Memento Mori, Latin for, remember that you will die. I know, it sounds dark, it sounds morbid. Why would anyone want to think about death? But here's why the Stoics practice this every single day. Because remembering death makes you appreciate life. Seneca wrote, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." Think about that. How many hours have you wasted crying over someone who left? How many days have you wasted being sad? How many weeks have you wasted in regret? Now imagine, just imagine, what if today was your last day on earth? Would you spend it crying over someone who chose to leave? Or would you spend it laughing with people who stayed? Would you waste it on regret? Or would you finally do something? You're not guaranteed tomorrow. Statistically, some people watching this video right now won't be alive next year. That's not fear-mongering. That's reality. And if you knew you had 1 year left, would you really spend it heartbroken over someone who didn't choose you? Memento Mori isn't about being scared of death. It's about being scared of not living. It's about waking up every morning and saying, I'm not here forever, so I will not waste today on yesterday's pain. If you're ready to start living again, comment, I choose life. Rule number 5, Amor, Fati. It means love your fate. Not just accept your fate, not just tolerate your fate, but love it. Everything that has happened to you, the pain, the betrayal, the heartbreak, it was all necessary to bring you here. Nietzsche, who was deeply influenced by the Stoics, wrote, "My formula for greatness in a human being is Amor Fati, that one wants nothing to be different, not forward, not backward, not in all eternity, not merely bear what is necessary, still less conceal it, but love it." Right now, you're going through hell, but here's the truth. The same fire that melts butter hardens steel. And you're not butter, you're steel. This fire you're going through, It's not here to destroy you. It's here to temper you. The person you're about to become, the strength you're about to discover, the life you're about to build, none of it would be possible without this moment. So look in the mirror tonight and say, thank you. Thank you for the pain. Thank you for the lesson. Thank you for making me stronger. Because when you can thank your enemies, when you can thank your ex, when you can thank the person who broke you, that's not weakness, that's ultimate power. That's Amor, Fati. So there you have it, 5 ancient Stoic rules to fix your broken heart. 1. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. 2. Let the obstacle become the way. 3. Your mind creates your reality. 4. Remember you will die, so live. 5. Love your fate, every part of it. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 rules hit you the hardest? Was it Rule 1, the dichotomy of control? Rule 2, the obstacle is the way? Rule 3, your mind creates reality? Rule 4, Memento Mori? Or Rule 5, Amor, Fati? Drop a number in the comments, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I personally read and reply to comments every single day. So don't just watch, be part of the community. And if you're new here, if you want to become unbreakable, if you want to master your mind, if you want to join a community of people who are done being weak and are ready to be strong, then hit that subscribe button right now. Join the Stoic legacy. Because we're not here to just exist. We're here to legacy. Hit like if this video helped you. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay stoic.